My experience at ArtSG 2025 has been nothing but great. This is my third edition, and I'm really happy to be back. Presentations look fantastic, the space looks fantastic, and working with everyone, they're all so professional, which makes it even better.
Our experience here at the ArtSG has been very positive. It does do a fantastic job to connect us with the art scene here in the city.
My experience with ArtSG has been fantastic. I'm so happy to work with them, and that's why we've been participating in ArtSG for the last 3 years.
The experience with ArtSG was fantastic. It was great in terms of knowledge and in terms of results.
ArtSG has been really exciting, exponential growth, I think, and very stunning in terms of the totality of the presentation. We are very excited to be here.
So the 2025 edition has been a very vibrant one. At AXA, we have been sponsoring ArtSG since it was created in 2023. So it's the third edition for us, and we are very proud to be supporting this great fair. It is a fantastic opportunity for us to meet our clients, our prospects.
I mean, I have to admit, I have seldom seen Singapore so interesting, so exciting. So it's a very interesting, vibrant audience. I think we met lots of really interesting people, actually very inspiring just by the interaction. Of course, for us as a brand, it's also an excellent platform to really meet new audiences, whether that's art collectors, whether that's tastemakers, decision makers from other industries. It has been really an exciting exchange.
We are very happy, of course, with the partnership, and we see that the fair is growing and expanding. We are very happy to be the official champagne of such a great art fair.
The vibe of the fair has been exciting. It's been energetic, it's been unique. There's people from all walks of life. It's been amazing to see people come and appreciate the art, but also be able to appreciate our product.
In just 3 short years, ArtSG has been established as the key meeting place for the art world of the region. Join us at ArtSG 2026 and be part of this exceptional journey.